So shooters and reloaders, we're going to shoot these 45 ACP rounds through our Ruger Single Action Blackhawk with the 45 ACP cylinder in there. Now the top 5 are the 200 grain bullets loaded with promo powder, 5.2 grains, and the lower 5 are the lead 200 round nose flat points loaded with 5.4 grains of tight group. We're going to shoot from sandbags at 12.5 yards to start off to see what kind of accuracy we get, because it doesn't shoot well at 12.5, it won't shoot good at 25 either. So there's the side picture at 12.5 yards.
He is so funny with that. And he goes, a couple more sessions and I'm going to show those kids up. And I'm going, those kids are winning medals. They're not. You think you're just knocking it dead. Some of those kids are really good shots. Are you done shooting?
That's your fault there, man.
Yeah, I just have to log my score.
Huh?
Yeah, I just needed to log my score.
Oh, that's all you came down for. Yeah. I'm debating whether to put my stuff away.
Yeah, because last time I tried to do that, but something.
So here's with a 200 grain semi-wad cutter with 5.2 grains of promo, and that's right on the point of aim. So our first group was like this, 12.5 yards from sandbags. That's not actually as good as we would like. Second group, same size group, 200 grain semi-wad cutter. When we shot the 200 grain round nose flat point, we got that for a group right on point of aim. And then the second group tightened up to that. So the grouping winner with the tight group powder was the 200 grain round nose flat point. Okay, let's see what those 45 caliber 200 grain round nose flat points can do with splitting cards offhand at 12.5 yards.
Range clear. You can commence firing. I just to let everybody know I'm closing the till in about 20 minutes, so if you need anything, purchase it now or you'll have to do without. your glasses on. Thank you.
So shooters and reloaders, these are nice loads. That's a good bullet for the 45 ACP, and because of the case capacity, we have more efficient use of powder. Only takes 5.4 grains of tight group powder to effectively shoot anything we need to do at the range. Makes our powder supplies last longer. Take care. See you next video. Bye for now.